okay, there's this fact that people are losing money, but how to really deal with those stressful situations? Because I'm very sure that you must also have been, experienced such stressful times and, such volatile markets we have seen.
Yeah.
So how do you maintain your calm?
So stress is definitely, I think, very high in this occupation because you are on the toes all the time with prices moving here and there. Your profit and loss is there in front of the screen all the time. So I think you need to have a very strong mental acumen, and that can happen through things like meditation. You're having of course, otherwise I'll not survive. I would have just gone bonkers. Because market is a tough character. Market is not it's just not any sports where even if you lose, doesn't matter. You lose money, and money is a very hard-earned thing. It's not easy to multiply that money. So yes, meditation. Then spend quality time with family. I think family is the best meditative place. I mean, you can go to temples, but finally your home is a temple where you have kids and your family members around. Spend more time with them, inform them, communicate with them. The biggest problem which I'm seeing in society these days is people have become very inward. They don't want to communicate. If they are in stress, they don't want to talk about it. So the best place to talk about it is your family. Give them the comfort so that they also give you relevant suggestions, and you will see those bad times passing away.
And what's your fitness mantra?
Fitness is that don't eat useless stuffs. I think avoid white as much as possible. I mean, we still have to live with it because when you're outside, you have to eat things which are white, full of sugar and all those things. So I try to avoid them. I try to avoid.